River will be aimed at the west this week, which means a lot of snow and rain for the west. So let's take a closer look at that with this premium hit. And first of all, just so we're all clear, an atmospheric river is basically a river in the sky that moves water vapor, just like you see here. Notice how it channels moisture from the tropics near Hawaii to the west coast. Follow that red line. And this week, where the jet stream and atmospheric river are positioned, a lot of this moisture will be moving right on into California. And when that river makes landfall, it releases the water vapor in the form of rain and snow. And that's what we're seeing. So lots of rain and snow coming in Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday. And these events can dump a lot of rain and snow. And that's why flooding, mudslides, and difficult travel are all going to be a concern this week. And you look at these numbers here and you can see why travel will be tricky and why we could see some issues. Some of these areas like Redding and San Francisco, 2 to 3 inches of rain. LA could see 1 to 2 inches. And then the snow, really problematic with travel when you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet of snow adding up in some of the higher elevations. And here's a time lapse. It gives you an idea of just how it's going to come down throughout the week and how it's all going to be adding up. And while this can cause problems, as we've mentioned, we've talked about the hazards, atmospheric rivers also have huge benefits because they provide this really needed rain and snow that is so crucial to the water supply, and especially across California, but throughout much of the West. We are so desperately dry with many areas in extreme and exceptional drought.